What's up mga idol, isang mabilisang PBA updates. PBA team may posibilidad na madagdagan hanggang 16 teams ayon kay PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial kung ang TV partners ay pumayag na magdagdag ng pag-ere ng games. Sinabi ito ni Marcial pagkatapos ng kanyang recent guest appearance at the PSA Forum. We can have 14 to 16 teams as long as the television partner is okay to televise games not just 3 times a week, Marcial said in the Public Sports Forum on Tuesday. Based on last season's schedule, the league's regular play date falls on Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays. The Saturday schedule is normally allocated for out-of-town games. The PBA, which is kicking off season 48 on October 15 with the Commissioner's Cup, last increased its member teams in 2014 after the board approved the entry of Blackwater and Kiat now Terra Firma. Both teams though have yet to win a league championship. Ngunit ayon kay PBA Commissioner Willie Marcial, wala pang katiyakan kung itutuloy ng dalawang may interes na grupo ang kanilang pangarap na makasali sa liga. Ano naman kaya ang bagong team ang papasok? Anong hula nyo mga idol? Maaari kayong mag-comment kung anong gusto nyong team ang maglaro sa PBA. At huwag kalimutan mag-like at subscribe sa aking channel mga idol, maraming salamat.